Since the last 1 year, Meta stock has gained 75%. In the whole of 2024, it gained 65%. And we are looking at its daily chart right now, not rather its 1 hour chart. As the market is not open today. Today is Sunday, the 2nd of February. We have negated upper projections of 795.4. This was just in that session of Friday, the 31st. We had this projection, but it didn't get anywhere there. Below that, we have 706.34. Below that, 748.60. But there are also downward projections in play at the moment. We have them in play. We have 644.09. Above that, 655.12, and just slightly below where it closed at 689.18. So we have 669.57. This is on its daily chart, on its 1 hour chart. So let's go down and have a look at its 2 hour chart and see what we have here. On the 2 hour chart, we don't have anything in play as well. No upper projections in play. Could be because the market is not open. There are indeed downward projections all the way down to 637.87 on the 2 hour chart. Let's have a look at its 3 hour chart and see. Let's see 3 hour chart. Let's see what we have. On the 3 hour chart, we have projections that are in play. We have 818. Yeah, I did see 818 here. We have okay, let's just make it modest. 816.90. Below that, we have 789.63. Below, we have 746.79. There are also downward projections, and they go all the way down to 577.49. What are the odds that such can print? We have 595.99. We have 639.42. We have 650.37. We have 601.20. Those last five figures I mentioned are downward projections. Momentum is expected to weaken all the way towards Tuesday, the 4th of February. That was its 3 hour chart. Let's have a look at its 4 hour chart. What do we have here? Yeah, we have upper projections. We have 818.88. I think same as the one we have on is it a 3 hour chart or something like that. Below that, we have 791.55. Below that, we have 748.60. There are no upper projections. Sorry, there are no downward projections here in play. But indeed, it could get support from its 40 period moving average on this 4 hour chart, even its 200 period moving average. So they are at 656.71, 613.59. Weakness is also expected on its 4 hour chart all the way towards Wednesday, the 5th of February. Yeah, Wednesday. Okay, I don't think we have any upper projections on its daily chart. Let's have a look on its daily chart. We don't have any. We don't have upper projections. They may be there, but we don't not exactly that visible. The extrapolation of its 10-day moving average is that it's going to remain strong up till Monday the 10th. So it's expected that to continue to print higher prices. There's just extrapolations, but may not. Surely there's a good chance that might be the case, even if it's. This is a strongly bullish talk. Relentlessly printing higher prices. I would say since 2012, I think. Yeah. So weakness is some cooling off is expected by Thursday, the 13th of February. So we still have some time to go. That's mostly on its 10-day moving average. But we're not expected to see that. We're not expecting to see that based on its 21-day moving average. But the interaction of, if possible, a future interaction of these two extrapolations, that's extrapolation of its 10-day moving average and the 21-day moving average, is suggesting that the volatility or the strength it has been showing, the momentum that has been just been in place since Friday the 17th, will ultimately cool off somewhat, and it might begin to trade within a very tight range before another breakout or cause. So there are negated upper projections of around 730.66. So we can go down and have a look at its weekly chart. So far, I think on the very short term, we can rely on the projections of its on its hourly charts all the way towards $818 sort of prices it can print here. So here on its weekly chart, we have 725.37. This is projected for Monday, the 3rd of February. Before now, it had 766.98. Okay, let's see whether we can have a look at its monthly chart and see if there's anything there. Let's look at the monthly chart. There are no projections. Rather, there is a downward projection of 488.50. What are the odds that that will be the case? What are the odds? So, come back to its daily charts. A couple of the folks at Schieffer's Investment Research pointing out that they've observed that there were a couple of notable billionaires that were present during Trump's second presidential inauguration. It was Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg. And they also are trying to remind us about Meta's, but their focus in this piece is about Meta, how they believe that amongst other things, fundamentally things are sound, but also politically this could also be good for Meta. So they're saying that this past week, all eyes were on Meta's fourth quarter earnings reports, which came out after the close of Wednesday the 29th, handing out another positive earnings per share of $8.02 versus the estimated 6.77. Meta continued its streak of not posting an earnings miss since February of 2023, which makes it its eighth consecutive beat. Okay, so let's see what we have. There's also this news that the Wall Street Journal reported that Trump has signed a settlement agreement requiring Meta to pay around $25 million to resolve a 2021 lawsuit. The lawsuit Trump had filed the suit after the platform suspended his accounts on the heels of the January 6 U.S. Capitol attack. Of data, that amount to $22 million is expected to go towards Trump's presidential library, while the remainder will cover legal fees. Notably, Meta is not required to admit wrongdoing. Okay, so unsurprisingly, they are saying that Meta has been highly coveted among option traders for what looks like forever. The consistent figure on their analyst stocks list is that it has highest options volume over the past 10 days. And it saw the 3.1 million calls and 1.6 million puts exchanging hands over this past week. That's the week of the 27th to the 31st of January. So huge volumes trading so far, I think. Yes, here we can see here Meta platform stock has been trending mostly higher since its pullback to $100 in 2022. So which also happened to be the side of its 2016 low. So coming back to option volumes, this is its weekly chart. I think this is its weekly grid. Its weekly grid. This contract will expire on Friday, the 7th of February. You can see the volumes we are looking at here. The volumes. These are the volumes as of Friday, the 31st. Let's come down here. We have 10,000 for 10,612 for the $700 strike. In other words, there's a good chance that the market participants, option traders, are expecting that it will get towards such levels. Um, yeah, and it's a lot more affordable. I think is it really that affordable? Much? Not really, because this is going to be $700. So for you to buy it, you need $720, isn't it? Yeah. So the stock itself, is yeah, it's affordable in the sense that if you get it, you have rights over 100 shares, but yeah, amongst other things, this is what's going on here. So they are quite they're thinking that this could be a good year. This could be a good year for Meta. I mean, this whole period for this. I mean, the Trump administration is looks like it's going to bode well for Meta, amongst other things. So just have a look. We have projections all the way towards 818 dollars. And here on Trading View, there is here they have a piece written on by the Dow. It's on Dow Jones. It's Dow Jones Newswire. It's 5 things to know about AI's thirst for energy. And we all know very well as well that Meta has commissioned Entergy to build two power stations, gas-fired power stations in Louisiana, just to make sure that data centers have enough energy. So, and indeed that stock Entergy is also strongly bullish as well. So uh, have a look at Meta stock, and I will definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.